This way! I actually had a lovely fishing trip planned before these hydro harvesters showed up and ruined everything.
Oh, how long was your trip?
Going on about 10 years now. The fishing was just starting to get good, too. Let's keep moving. Oh, boy, more puffoids. You two can handle this, right? I'm more into fishing than fighting. You understand?
Nice!
I think you got them all. Come on.
Here comes some more!
Oh, you look at that. Over there's the Torgoff waterfall. Grim and I used to trek to the top of that thing every holiday looking for gold bolts and such. Then one day he dared me to ride down on a barrel. I tell you, I've never seen our father so angry. Oh, those were the days. There's another telepathopus. More puffoids! I think you got them all. Come on. So how's old Grim doing these days? I haven't heard much from him since we moved here from the Polaris galaxy. He runs a garage, right?
Yeah, on Velden. It's small, but it's kind of cool. We do mostly hover conversions, proton scrubs, that sort of thing.
And now you're a galactic ranger. Grim must be so proud.
Actually, I don't know. I was supposed to help him with some proton scrubs, but I left in kind of a hurry. Hope he's not too angry with me.
Ah, he'll be all right. You're out protecting the galaxy. What's that compared to a few proton scrubs?
Yes!
My friend's not far from here. He'll be able to help you out. Ah. Thanks. Come on. It's not too far now. Oh boy. That's not good. Looks like the Blarg have reached the city.
Looks like the Puffboys are giving them a run for their money. We are on it. Stay here and keep safe.
I'm coming! Sorry, I'm a little out of shape.
Got it!
Look, over there! The Pocataro Tiki Lounge and Karaoke Bar. With any luck, my engineer friend will be there. The guys on my hologame forum call him Big Al.
We know him. We met him in Alero City. Nice dude. A little weird.
Yeah, that's Al. But he's the best upgrade guy in the business.
Hey, what's going on out there? I'm trying to sing my soul-stirring rendition of Lucky Orion, Ain't No One Gonna Love Me. And they're ruining the moment.
This Zergon is here to kill. So long, stupid aliens.
Need some nanotech.
Right behind you! Good work. Okay, let's get inside. Hey, Al! Can you open up?
What's the secret password?
Oh, come on. Don't make me say it.
Well, your call. I have Lexi Orion's entire anthology here, and I can sing through it track by track.
Yeah, all right. All hail Big Al the Conqueror.
Go on.
The glory of his level 20 spellcaster burns brighter than the 4th star of Julius Major.
Hey, Ratchet, Clank! Small galaxy. How's my lady Cora doing?